Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. Your own little piece of Paris, an Art Deco cloud dream. So, you're dreaming of a Parisian apartment? Let's make it happen with a twist. Forget the predictable beige and chintz. We're diving headfirst into bold, glamorous Art Deco. Our secret weapon, a stunning gold and black wallpaper with a sweeping clouds pattern. It's dramatic, it's luxurious, and it's going to tie our entire home together. This isn't about recreating a museum, but about capturing that Parisian soul with a dose of modern boldness. Think of it as a love letter to the 1920s, sent from a chic flat in the Marais. Ready to step inside? Even before the front door, the vibe is set. Picture a classic Haussmannian stone building with wrought iron balconies. Up on your balcony, black mat planters hold sculptural greenery, like lavender or small bay trees. At your feet, a geometric black and white tile floor hints at the deco drama inside. It's all about setting the stage for the glamour within. First impressions count, so we're going bold right away. The clouds wallpaper goes up here, making a breathtaking gallery-like statement. A slim gilded console table holds a single dramatic artifact, maybe a black lacquer box or a sinuous bronze vase. A round sunburst mirror reflects the pattern in light. You'll feel transported the second you hang up your coat. This is where we lounge in full decadence. One feature wall behind the sofa wears our glorious gold and black clouds. The rest of the walls are a soft, warm cream to keep it from feeling overwhelming. Plush, deep-seated velvet sofas in charcoal gray or gold provide the comfort. Finish with angular chrome lamps and a shaggy white rug to soften all those sharp, beautiful lines. Here we want drama that whispers, not shouts. Use the wallpaper on the wall behind the headboard for a dreamy, immersive effect. Dress the bed in crisp white linens with black piping or gold throw pillows for contrast. Low bedside tables and glossy black lacquer keep the focus up on those swirling clouds. The goal is a retreat that feels both opulent and serenely cozy. Time for a little evening sparkle. Imagine dining under a sleek linear chandelier with touches of gold. A substantial rectangular table in dark walnut grounds the space, paired with velvet upholstered chairs in black or deep emerald. Keep the table setting minimalist: white china, simple glassware, maybe a single gold charger plate. It lets the wallpaper's movement be the main event during dinner parties. We balance classic Parisian charm with deco flair here. Think white subway tiles, dark wood cabinets with brass hardware, and Carrara marble counters. Then we add a punch, a geometric black and white tile floor in a chevron pattern. Open shelving displays a few pieces of black ceramic or gold-rimmed glassware. It's functional, chic, and nods to our theme without going overboard. Let's turn the bathroom into a jewel box. Use the wallpaper here too. It's a total power move that works in smaller doses. Pair it with a floating vanity in black marble and a gleaming waterfall faucet in gold. A large round mirror with bulb-style framing adds that perfect vintage touch. Plush black towels and a simple orchid complete this incredibly personal and luxurious sanctuary.